Hello friends, we once again come to our short video segment, this time on TAL 31 autonomous killer drones. But this time it is not a student who is asking the questions but our tech team using video prompt.
Do AI drones shoot itself on the foot?
Yes, it does, often. AI disobeys and at times shoots down its own. Something interesting comes from Israel. At least 40% of unmanned aircraft systems knocked out by Israel are instances of friendly fire, says US Marine Colonel Michael Pruden to Warzone, a website dedicated to covering reports from the war.
Cinco Hamilton is the Chief of AI Test and Operations at the US Air Force. He has shared the details of a simulation in which an AI-powered drone was given a SEAD mission. Now what's a SEAD mission? It's when a weapon system is asked to suppress and destroy enemy air defense systems. The drone was programmed to seek out and destroy surface-to-air missile or SAM sites. But here's the catch. The final approval to shoot would be given by a human operator. And guess what the operator told the drone? It gave orders to stand down, to not kill the target. But the drone, it seems, didn't approve of the order. After all, it was told that every kill would earn it points. So the drone got hungry for points, and to earn those points, the weapon decided to rebel. It attacked the operator because it thought the human was interfering with its mission.
Areas. This happened a few years back, but again in June 2023, Warzone reported that an AI-enabled drone during simulation operations chose to override its human operators. It not only destroyed the communication tower from where it was supposed to get instructions from the human operator, but also engaged the surface-to-air missile, which it should not have done without human consent. We'll come back to you again next week. Till then, bye-bye.